Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite crash on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to verify the game files. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games. Click on three dot next to Fortnite. Scroll down and select manage. Select verify files. After finish verifying, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now in here you just need to find Fortnite game folder, double click on it, saved folder and config folder and Windows client folder. You just need to delete this file guys. Right click on it and delete it. Basically this gonna delete all the settings you have in game. After doing this, close stuff here. Now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.